to iTech and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to get free unlimited calls on MTN. Now, there is this short code that I'm going to introduce to you. Now, when you activate this short code, you will be able to enjoy free unlimited calls every Monday. That is from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Mondays. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I'll take you to my phone and show you step by step how you are going to activate this code. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video.
Dial this *5060# and you call this number. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and these are things that you're going to see. So we have option 1 here is what SME plus bundle, and then you have association bundle. Now we are going to use the option 1, which is the SME plus bundle, and you just send and it will take you to this. We have buy bundle, check balance. We are just going to buy bundle, so you just hit on buy bundle and you send. Then buy for self or agent, so we are going to buy for ourselves and then we send. Okay, so this is where you need to take note of it. So please select an option. So the option 1 is 1 month. Now with the 1 month, in a month we have about 4 weeks in it, so we are going to get about 4 Mondays. So you are going to enjoy free unlimited calls on 4 Mondays in a month. But if you choose weekly, it means that you're just going to enjoy for only 1 day. So I will choose let's say weekly, and then I'll call this, and then please select an option. So we have classic, which is 10 cedis, super, which is 20 cedis, premium, which is 30 cedis. So if you choose on the classic, which is 10 cedis, and boom, this is what I'm going to see. So J10 cedis bundle gives you 50 minutes to other network, 150 megabyte of data, and then SMS to on net. So just hit on continue to purchase. Now when you hit on continue, it will ask you whether to use airtime or to use your hot mobile money. So I will use my mobile money, and then I will move on to this next stage. So guys, this is how you are able to get this free unlimited calls every Mondays. Thank you. See you. Bye.